If you've never made a salad like this, surprise your whole family. Let's start by cutting up a cucumber. This quick and easy salad recipe will surprise you. Place the cucumber in a bowl. Add a teaspoon of salt. Mix the salt well into the cucumber. Let me know if you like quick and easy salad recipes. Set the cucumber aside so that it releases the water. Now chop the spring onions to taste. Put the spring onions in a bowl. I'm going to cut up 5 hard-boiled eggs. Take advantage of this and tell me which city you're watching us from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Now I'll squeeze the liquid out of the cucumber and add it to the other ingredients. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of mustard. Mix the sauce well. Add a drizzle of olive oil to a frying pan. Spread it well. Add 2 slices of bread to the pan and let them brown. We can now add the dressing to the salad and mix well. I'd like to know how you rate this recipe from 0 to 10. Mine is a 10. Simple and delicious salad to make at home. Our salad is ready. I'm going to finish by putting some on bread. It's very delicious. I hope you've enjoyed another salad recipe. Thanks for watching, see you next time and enjoy.